What's up, fuckers? World's okayest trader. Oh my god. May 17th. Large range. Basically a forever range. And I'm not a fan of ranges. I don't do them well, I don't think. But tried in a couple of spots. I tried here. We had the one leg, two legs down. It ticked up and pulled back, so I got quite a deep limit. But even if you had have taken it where it was triggered, there wasn't a ton of room to the overnight open or the EMA. But because I got such a deep limit, it was really small risk, so that was a win. But I gave it all back on the next one. This one, strong push up. Now, what should have scared me, and it didn't, was this. So, have the strong push up. We do have this, trend channel off or trend line off the bottom of the range, right? Like double bottom, double bottom. Yeah, there's some wicks, but it's rejecting strong push up. So I'm thinking, okay, there's the high. Here's the first entry, pullback. There's the second entry. EMA is holding. Like all the closes are above, but doji, 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 doji. Overlapping 4 bars. Not the greatest signal bar. It is a second entry. It goes for 3 ticks and then bye-bye. Now, because it was here, I did put my stop. Like my stop should have been there, so I lost an extra point because I moved my stop to the bottom of the overnight open, thinking that by the time it got here, this was hovering. It was slow. It was it was afternoon. Thinking, okay, I'll give it a little bit of room even to make. Because I was really at this point, I changed my target to 4 ticks because it got up there and then came back. So I did lose an extra point on that trade. But yeah, that doji stacked, not going, should have just stayed away. Then the trade that I should have taken, because I was mentally like frustrated with that, was this one right here. So we have this downtrend or this channel working down. Let me make it a little bit better. We have this channel working down. Right, we get the break, new extreme, great signal bar, like huge rejection, closing on its high. Should have taken that long at a minimum back to the EMA. And that would have fixed this loss and fixed a little bit of yesterday as well. But I didn't. And then after that, I was like, fuck. So again, stacks on stacks, not really worth playing. And then this was a channel down here. Break, new low. Like there's the low. There's the first entry to a new low. So there's a new low there. But we've already got the break in the new extreme. So now we're looking for a long. And at this point, I had left. I had to go to do a couple of day job things. So I didn't get anything in here. But even still, I don't see anything that I love. Like, okay, maybe there's that short channel for a break into extreme, but we're above the EMA and you widen a little bit and it keeps pushing up. Yeah, it keeps pushing up. Then we get the break and an attempt at a new high doesn't happen, rolls over. Attempt, and eventually gets it, but that's at the close and it's late in the day. But like, there's just nothing in here. There's the new low, first entry, maybe a second entry short, failed second entry short. But even at that point, you're looking at this channel. What am I doing? I cannot do this today. There we go. Try that. Maybe you're looking at this little channel, so it does get the break in new extreme. Maybe we're thinking lower. Not really great. Again, it's stacked, but then it takes off and then you widen it. And that channel does seem to hold. But even through this mess, there's the high, first entry, second entry, but far away from the EMA. Well, there's a low maybe, but we're not below the EMA, so there's no sense counting it. And yeah, there's really not a whole lot to enter here. Like even this, you got the attempt at a high, it didn't get it, it sold off. So now you're thinking, okay, short-term downtrend, and then just should be reversals straight up, another test, flushes, and then it sort of, yeah. So yeah, so red week. this trade here did me in, and then the 2 from yesterday did me in. So reset over the weekend. Get it fresh Monday. See what happens. All right, World's Okayest Trader is out.